Hello friends, today we will learn one new experiment, experiment number 6, that is Jominy and Quench test for hardenability. So this test is generally carried out for testing and finding out the hardenability of various metals, especially steels. So aim of the experiment is to determine the hardness of given steel like mild steel, high carbon steel, medium carbon steel by Jominy and Quench test. Different equipments are required while carrying out this experiment. Equipment required are Jominy and test apparatus, steel bars, furnace and Rockwell hardness tester, grinder, etc. So basic theory behind carrying out this test is hardenability is the ease with which a steel piece can be hardened by martensitic transformation, or it is the depth of hardening produced under the given conditions of cooling. In simple words, I will define the hardenability as the ability of steel getting hardened when it is hardened under given conditions of cooling. Hardenability is evaluated by determining the minimum cooling rate to transform an austenitized steel to a structure that is predominantly or entirely martensitic. Means what? There should be martensitic structure at the room temperature of the steel, or by determining the thickness of the largest steel section that can be converted to such a structure under the given conditions of cooling. So this is what is the test procedure for carrying out Jominy and Quench test. Before test procedure, I will distinguish between hardness and hardenability. Hardness is defined as the virtue of material by which it resists the scratching, penetration or indentation on the surface of material itself, whereas the hardenability is defined as the ease with which the material can be hardened easily. So this is a great difference between hardness and hardenability. Let us move to the Jominy and Quench test procedure. First step is take a standard sample of given steel. Second is set the furnace on the required temperature and time should be based on the chemical composition of the steel which is chosen to be hardened. Third one is take the sample out after heating to a required temperature and immediately keep it on the Jominy test set apparatus. Fourth point is allow the water to flow at the bottom end of the specimen. Adjust the pressure of water to obtain the umbrella shape under the specimen. Fifth point is continue the quenching of the test specimen up to 20 minutes. Sixth point is after cooling, grind the specimen at the two opposite sides. Seventh point is check the hardness of the test specimen with Rockwell hardness tester. And last point, that is eighth point, is plot the graph of hardness values versus distance from quench end of the specimen. So this is what is the standard Jominy and Quench test procedure. See this figure. In this figure, I have shown the Jominy and Quench test apparatus as well as the standard specimen dimensions which should be used for carrying out the Jominy and Quench test. So the both the figures are self-explanatory. Please observe and understand. So there is one video, Jominy and Quench test video. So please go through the video also. You will come to notice what exactly is the procedure. Most of the things will be clear after observing the video. Thank you. Thank you very much for your patient listening.